The specialist software PlanBar from Precast Software Engineering is the comprehensive solution for high-quality industrialized precast parts design. From series production right up to complex architectural elements and specialist parts. Quick, efficient, error-free. For the efficient design of complex precast parts, we have specifically developed the iParts module. On the one hand, through the use of parameterized components, PlanBar achieves the highest efficiency. On the other hand, through the acquisition of architectural components or freely modeled 3D elements, PlanBar offers the utmost flexibility. The iParts module offers you simple acquisition of 3D already existing geometries, free modeling of columns, beams, foundations, stairs, 3D reinforcement without a copy of the component, creating favorites, transfer of reinforcement, fixtures and layouts. In PlanBar, columns can be entered by parametric as well as free geometric. Here you see parametric design with the example of a column. The foundation can be entered by typing free values. The user can work with a wide range of predefined precast parts. For example, beam, walls, socket elements, ribbed plate slabs. iParts guarantees utmost drawing flexibility. Visit our website to get more information about the iParts module and other useful software solutions for the precast concrete industry.